Hello everyone, this is Module 4 of International Financial System. I'm your course instructor Mohammad India. In this module, we are covering the foreign exchange market. In this lecture, we will cover economic theories of exchange rate determination. Exchange rate of any country is determined by the interaction of supply and demand. And one of the important concepts that drives the forces of supply and demand is the law of one price. Based on the law of one price, the price of an identical product should be same throughout the world, regardless of which country it produces it. For example, if 1 kg apple is sold for $1 in Bangladesh, the 1 kg apple should be also sold for $1 in India. So based on this theory, price of an identical product should be same throughout the world. Let's look at an example of law of one price. Here, American steel costs $100 per ton, whereas Japanese steel costs 10,000 yen per dollar. In this case, based on law of one price, exchange rate between yen and dollar must be 100 yen per dollar, or that means $1 is equal to 100 yen, or $0.10 per yen. That means 1 yen is equal to $0.01. In this case, 1 ton of American steel sells for 10,000 yen in Japan, and 1 ton of Japanese steel sells for $100 in the United States. Here is another theory, the theory of purchasing power parity, or CPPP. This theory states that exchange rates between two currencies will adjust to reflect change in price levels. That means the price of goods and services changes in a country, exchange rate of that country should be reflected by the changes in the price level. For example, domestic price level of the country increases by 10%. In that case, domestic currency of that country would decrease by 10%. So it means price level increases by 10%, currency value of that country should decrease by 10%. So based on this theory, exchange rate will reflect the country's price level. So PPP also reflects the law of one price to the price level. However, purchasing power parity works in the long run, but it does not work in the short run. There are some limitations of purchasing power parity. First of all goods are not identical in both countries. For example, Toyota and Mercedes both are cars, but these two cars are different. Their prices are different. Definitely, Mercedes-Benz is also a car, Toyota is a car, but their quality is different. Therefore, price of these two cars are also different. So we should not say that Toyota and Mercedes-Benz are identical. Secondly, there are many goods and services which cannot be traded. For example, you cannot trade haircuts, you cannot trade lands. So for these sort of goods and services, you cannot apply the theory of purchasing power parity or law of one price. That's all about this lecture. In our module 5, we cover determination of exchange